What does therefore mean? The word therefore is used to show a result or conclusion based on something that happened earlier. In simple words, therefore means for that reason, or as a result. It connects two ideas where the second idea is the result of the first one. For example, it was raining heavily, therefore the match was canceled. This means the match was canceled because it was raining. The word therefore is commonly used in formal writing, explanations, and logical statements. For example, he studied hard, therefore he passed the exam. Here are some more example sentences. The road was blocked, therefore we took another route. She was feeling sick, therefore she stayed at home. The company made losses, therefore it reduced expenses. Some similar words for therefore include thus, consequently, hence, and as a result. In simple terms, therefore is used to show the result or conclusion of something. Easy way to remember. Therefore means because of that, or as a result.